So in this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about getting back pain when you're working out. And this is really aimed at you if you've had an episode of back pain in the past, because time and time again we get patients coming into the clinic and they're concerned, almost to the point where they can't bring themselves to do exercise because they can't distinguish between a problem, i.e. they're making the pain worse, or actually just the normal degree of general muscle soreness and muscle engagement and stiffness that you'd get from a workout. So in this video, I hope to give you a little bit more clarity on that so you can feel a bit more comfortable with your training. The number one thing to sort of be aware of is you're most likely to get this sort of pain if you're doing any sort of leg work. So that could be squats, it could be leg press, it could be deadlifts, etc. And it's generally reasonably normal to get a degree of a sort of a back pump or discomfort in this lower back area down here after you've done a couple of sets of, say, leg press, something where you think, well, I'm not even weight bearing on my lower back. Now there's a few things you can do to minimize the likelihood of you getting this soreness, but if you're working really hard and you're driving through these glutes and you're driving through these legs, they're going to tighten up and stiffen up this area. That's only a natural consequence of actually training, and you don't need to be concerned by that, especially if you're doing good form. There's a few things you want to be mindful of. For example, when you're doing a leg press, and this applies to the same as deadlift, the same as a squat, is as you get to the bottom of that rep, say you're sat on the weights are above you using one of the proper sort of bodybuilding leg press machines, and you're there doing your leg press, and as your knees come up towards your chest, you tuck your bum under. Now that is going to create a problem because that puts pressure right down on these discs. Very simple way to address that: don't go so deep. Focus on just moving this little hip here and not bending the lumbar spine. Even doing that, you still like to get a bit of discomfort in this lower back because it tightens up all the fascia, all the muscles around here, because the muscles are all interrelated. So don't be alarmed if you're getting these sorts of things. Of course, with anything in this video and any of our other videos, for you and your specific circumstances, if you do find that you get a bit of pain, then just have a chat with your osteopath, your chiropractor, your physio, etc., who can just set your mind at ease about those sorts of things. But it is normal to experience those things. And as long as you take the advice of good form, keeping that nice natural curve in your lumbar spine, you should be fine, and getting a little bit of soreness afterwards is okay. And that'll sort of subside after sort of 15-20 minutes after your workout. Now if it doesn't, then yes, of course, evaluate if you've done anything wrong in your session and go and see someone just to check up and make sure you haven't done anything more sinister. But getting that soreness in that area when you're working your legs is particularly common. One thing you can do to help this is actually doing some comprehensive stretching at the end of your workout. This could just be 5 to 10 minutes of just stretching out your glutes, stretching out your hamstrings, stretching out your quads and your hip flexors. Very, very simple stretches you can find online. Even some of our videos actually go through these sorts of stretches, and if you're in our Back in Shape program, you'll see them on there too. Very simple, very easy exercise to just take that pressure off that lower back at the end of a good workout. And ultimately you need to go through that workout because by strengthening up this section down here and improving the flexibility and the strength of your hip joint and those muscles around there, you're going to be able to protect your lumbar spine from more sinister damage and more serious damage in the long term. So don't be put off doing some of these exercises as long as they're done correctly and with good form and good core engagement. Now, I hope that video helps, and if you've got any questions, any comments, then do post them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please like or share, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Thanks for taking the time to watch our video today. Remember, for more videos like this, you can hit one of the buttons up here. For videos on our Back in Shape program so you can work out from home and protect your back, just click the button over here. And remember to stay up to date with all our videos, hit the subscribe button above my head. Thanks for watching.